Wreszcie kurwa wypadł.
Jeszcze kurwa syka. Ja pierdolę, ale zajebiście. Seriously?
Yeah.
We're in Ksamil, have a look. It's dirt around anyway, what can I say? You know, they're using Photoshop, I reckon. Ale pokażemy wam. Do Ksamil przyjechaliśmy. Pokaż mi ten fucking dirt over there. African beach park. So we are in Ksamil on the beach. So close there. So it's like a I could say we are in here, and they're gonna say it's so expensive because like if you wanna, you know, lay on the beach on the folded chair, you have to pay actually about like a 10 euros. So, and the price are not really decent. They're expensive. So, especially like, you know, they coming to join you. No, co mogę powiedzieć na ten temat, nie? Mała przebitka. Chcemy wam pokazać. Na pewno już dużo Polaków pokazywało, ale jeszcze raz przypomnę, nie? Także nie jest tu tanio na pewno. Nie, także no można przyjść i posiedzieć na takim żwirze, nie? Także can come and sit on the like a, I don't know, it's like a, how to call that, even aggregate, you know, something. What the conclusion is, you can come in if you like it, but I am not really recommending, you know, so it's overcrowded. At the moment it's alright because it's end of the season, but normally I can imagine like how many people is coming, you know, every day. It's like a massacre again. Massacre, definitely. So, masakra. Ile ludzi przychodzi, nie, w sezonie, to normalnie tragedia, nie? Także. Ale nic, na bieżąco będziemy się starali wam tutaj opowiedzieć troszeczkę więcej na ten temat, nie? Na temat tych miłych doświadczeń, niemiłych doświadczeń. We can, you know, show you something about the, you know, good things and bad things, you know, surprises and stuff. So see you next time anyway.